from the time when we slipped off the steep, muddy roads, and I barely made my way back home. Still shook up when I think of that time we were in trouble and I reached for my knife. I would do anything to keep you alive. Now you won't speak to me. You cut me out of your life. All the times when I picked you up, people said I was in way too deep, but they never known someone like you. Now it seems that I wasted my time, the miles and the years and an ocean of tears, but I never know someone like you. There's nothing I'd change if I could. It all went down just the way that it should, even if it hurts to face the truth. I still choose to leave Eden behind, to feel your heat for a blink of an eye. I would still kill for you. You won't speak to me. You cut me out of your life. All the times when I picked you up, people said I was in way too deep, but they never known someone like you. Now it seems that I wasted my time, the miles and the years and an ocean of tears, but I never known someone like you. You won't speak to me. You cut me out of your life. I got power, the power to survive. I'm no coward. I'll stand up for my rights with the right hook ready and a gleam in my eye. My woman says, go get him, babe, you're doing it right. I consider myself to be a simple man. I get up every morning and I stick to the plan. I may have lost some job along the way, but that don't mean my mama raised no fool in a day. A while ago, they kicked me out the door, said they didn't need me at their place no more. It hit a nerve and it hurt to the bone. My whole identity was tied up to that world. I got power, the power to survive. I'm no coward. I stand up for my rights with the right hook ready and a gleam in my eye. My woman says, go get him, babe, you're doing it right. Just a cool cat thinking he can see right through me. With a screen in the hand, you're a superhuman. A flatline statistic is all you got. I'll show you trouble's here to stay. There's never any ease, and the world is never pleased. Living in a tightening noose. You're not the only one with a heart about to burst. Prayers cutting through the night like laser lights. Will they ever reach anyone who cares? Or will they disappear? Leave a crack on the surface, can't relieve to the heart. Take that weight off your shoulders, raise it up to the stars. Come and sit at the table, we can talk all night. Don't hold back and make it pretty. I'm on your side. On your side. Don't let it get you down. We'll work it out somehow. Solutions have a way of falling from the clouds. Don't let it get you down. We'll work it out somehow. Solutions have a way of falling from the clouds. We'll never reach anyone cares. Will they disappear? Leave a crack on the surface, can't relieve to the high. Take that weight off your shoulders, raise it up to the stars. Come and sit at the table, we can talk all night. Don't hold back and make it pretty. I'm on your side. On your side. I'm away. Leave a crack on the surface. Leave a crack on the surface. Get relief to the high. Come and sit at the table. Come and sit at the table. We can talk all night. Leave a crack on the surface. Get relief to the high. Leave a crack on the surface. Get relief to the high. Come and sit at the table. We can talk all night. Leave a crack. Leave a crack. Leave a crack. Oh yeah. Truth be told, I'm leaving. You're so cruel, you're the devil in disguise. Death on the path you're leading. I've seen the madness in your eyes. I don't belong. My soul is breaking, there's no friend to call. I'm going home to my people. They would never let me take the fall. Like a god you've been teasing. High diabolic deeds with divine in a crystal ball. I've seen it. You plan to leave me in the line of fire. I don't belong. My soul is breaking, there's no friend to call. I'm going home to my people. They would never let me take the fall. times I was losing. Go on, but I'm never going back. I don't belong. My soul is breaking, there's no friend to call. I'm going home to my people, they would never let me take the fall. Home, my soul is breaking, there's no friend to call. I'm going home to my people, they would never let me take the fall. If I had the money, I'd still wait for you. I would not run until you were home, just like I always do. I wait for you every day and every night. I wait for you. I wait for you. There is no